Welcome to Adult Swim. I'm Coach Tariq, and this is a virtual class where you, as the adult, will finally learn how to swim. I've been teaching people to swim since I was 13 years old. Was it child labor? Probably, but that means I have over 20 years of experience teaching people how to swim.
I'm Dakota. I am the student today. I'm also his wife.
She's here because she makes me look good, and also I don't have to pay her. If you're here, that means you are an adult and you are finally taking that big step to learn how to swim. Maybe your family couldn't afford it as a child. Maybe you're tired of being terrified of the water. Maybe you just really want to take a great Instagram picture in a bathing suit without feeling like a fraud. Whatever the reason is, I'm here to teach you how to swim, or at least not to drown. Welcome to Adult Swim. Here's what you will learn in Adult Swim: how to hold your breath and make bubbles underwater, how to float on your stomach, how to float on your back, how to flip from your front onto your back and from your back onto your front, and finally, how to move in a specific direction while floating. Here's what you will not learn: how to rescue someone else. That'll be a whole nother course. How to beat all of your buddies in a race. You're not ready for that yet. How to look graceful in the water. I'll teach you how to swim, but it might not be pretty. And unfortunately, I can't teach you how to look as awesome as I do in a bathing suit. But I will teach you how to swim safe and conquer your fear and actually enjoy yourself. Let's get started. Adult Swim is a basic swim course that can teach you safety swim skills in about an hour. What you will need is a bathing suit, a calm body of water that is at least 3 feet deep, something solid to hold on to, like the side of the pool steps. You'll also need someone else who is aware that you are learning how to swim and ideally help you if you get disoriented. Now, here's what you don't need. Wild, crazy waters like the ocean or river rapids, you're not ready for that yet. You don't need a floaty or goggles. This is because if you accidentally fall in water in the future, I want you to be comfortable without the floaties or the goggles. For this course, you don't need an in-person instructor. But please be advised, do not swim alone.
I get it. I go through these lessons really fast. Some skills you will learn in 3 minutes. Others you'll have to rewatch many times and try until it feels good. Whether it takes you 3 minutes or 30 minutes to complete a skill, hang in there, you will learn how to swim. Here's a swim habit I want you to remember. When swimming and it's time to take a breath, breathe through your mouth and out of your nose. That way, you don't accidentally get water running through your nose.
Next on Adult Swim.
All right, go.
Welcome to Adult Swim.
Just go again.
Okay, all right. Welcome to Adult Swim. I'm Coach Tariq, and this is a virtual class where you, as the adult, will finally learn how to swim.